Hi there, it's October 29th, 2020, and Donald Trump had a rally yesterday in Arizona, and apparently there was an airplane that flew overhead, is what the story is, and then a fighter jet um, intercepted it, just let out warnings to tell it to get away from um, the from over the rally. So on Elk Valley Times, there's a recording here. I didn't record this, but I'm going to show it to you. Underneath this, it says an aircraft entered restricted airspace over President Donald Trump's rally in Bullhead City, Arizona, leading to a fighter jet being scrambled to intercept it. See the moment Trump noticed the jet. Okay, so I'm going to enlarge this, and we're going to get to watch it.
You don't know what I went through to get those suckers up there. I had to get that money from the Democrats. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh, look at that. They gave the president a little display.
All right, I know. Well, I don't know if that arrow's. There's an arrow that I'm seeing in the way right there. But look at the pattern on this. Okay, and we're going to see the jet up here.
How about that? How about that? I wonder if the fake news caught that. Did you see that camera? Because they never turned it.
Okay, there's the jet. Apparently. What's this stuff?
Camera. They don't want to show anything that's good. Wow, that was something, huh? So they.
So Donald Trump is talking about how cool it was that the fighter jet did that. I'm not sure. Let's go back and take another look. I'm not sure what that trail stuff is, but let's take another look at it.
How about that? I wonder if the fake news caught that. Did you see that camera? Because they never turned the camera. They don't.
It's not close enough to tell what that is, but that's supposed to be the fighter jet.
They don't want to show anything that's good. Wow, that was something, huh? So they were trying to get our attention with the independent over here, and he got my attention, even though he was very high.
So this is
But that was
all it
beautiful.
says about the rest
Nobody
of
in the
the
world has the equipment that we have. Listen to
just
that.
everything.
Oh, I love it.
And I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service.